Signs that your body is too acidic. Here's how to correct it. The real truth behind cancer that you will never hear from your doctor. Nobel Prize winner Dr. Otto H. Warburg, who discovered the real cause of cancer, has found that the root cause of cancer is oxygen deficiency. How do you know your body is acidic? When your body pH tips into the more acidic zone, you will begin experiencing mild aches and pains that will develop into more serious chronic diseases. Some of the symptoms that you may experience with mild acidosis: teeth decay and cavities, low immunity, digestive disorders and diseases, stiff neck and shoulder, back pains, respiratory problems, shortness of breath, coughing, yeast, candida, fungal overgrowth, low energy and chronic fatigue, increased heart rate, palpitations, weight gain, obesity, high blood sugar levels, diabetes, bladder and kidney infections, premature aging, headaches, confusion, brain fog, joint pains and inflammation, aching muscles, gout, arthritis. Any disease in the body is a sign that the body is highly acidic. Acidosis is the bigger picture and will require you to change your dietary and lifestyle. Many people are already consuming enough acid-forming foods such as dairy products, grains, meats, sugar and processed foods. One of the best ways to really reset your body's pH balance is to do a juice cleanse by drinking 2 to 3 glasses of vegetable juice every day. 2 to 3 glasses is just for it to be effective. In cases of severe acidosis, a complete juice fast is necessary. No time to prepare juices? Use a powdered greens supplement instead, just mix with water and drink. Home remedies to reduce body acidity. 1. Apple cider vinegar. For more immediate result, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. The combination will immediately begin to fizz. Keep adding baking soda in small amounts until the fizz stops, and then fill the glass with 8 ounces of water. 2. Basil leaves. The soothing and carminative properties of basil leaves can give you instant relief from acidity, gas and nausea. Simply eat some fresh basil leaves at the first sign of acid upset. Chew them thoroughly in order to release all the nutrients for immediate assimilation on a daily basis. You can add some fresh basil leaves in your meals. 3. Green vegetable juices. Green vegetable juices are loaded with live enzymes, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients and flavonoids. Green juices detoxify, cleanse and increase blood count, which all contribute to better blood circulation, reducing acidity. 4. Cumin and fennel seeds. Cumin seeds can also be used to treat acidity, as cumin works as a great acid neutralizer. Also, it aids in digestion and relieves stomach pain. Boil 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water, strain it and then drink the water after your meal. 5. Drink water. Dehydration causes the body to be acidic. You may have heard of alkaline water to reverse acidity. I do not recommend alkaline water as they may work initially but subsequently backfire.